Good afternoon, dear students. Uh, in the last class, we discussed about the reflection, types of reflection, and also the laws of reflection. Okay, we know that reflection takes place on the smooth and polished surface. We discussed, isn't where the reflection takes place? Reflection takes place on the smooth and polished surface. Okay, so which is the smooth and polished surface? So one of the best example for the smooth and polished surface is mirror, is it? It is nothing but mirror. Do you know what do you mean by mirror? Yes, especially girls all are very familiar with the mirror. Even the boys also familiar. Okay, so always you're in front of the mirror only, right, girls? Okay, so there's mirror. So what do you mean by mirror? So you spend most of the time in front of the mirror. So let's see what do you mean by the mirror. Let's study about this. Let's know about the mirror, how it is prepared and how what is the mirror and all those things. Okay. So this is the mirror, right? You're all familiar with this mirror. Okay, what is this mirror? So this mirror is nothing but a highly polished plane surface. So highly polished plane surface is nothing but mirror or plane mirror. Okay, so what is the mirror and how it is prepared? So it is plane mirror can be obtained by silvering one side of the glass sheet. If we take any glass sheet, for example the windows, if we take the window, so if we take the window, it is a transparent light, right? Transparent glass. Okay, or the aquarium, the glass, whatever the glass, it may even can take the spectacles, it is also glass. Okay, some spectacles are now made up of fibers, but some are made up of glass. So if we take the glass and if we polish one side with the silver, if we polish one side with that silver, so then and to protect the silver we need to paint some colors. Some mirrors are painted with orange, some mirrors are painted with some brown color, like that. Okay, so that is nothing but mirror. So what is mirror? So mirror, a highly polished surface, a highly polished surface, highly polished, highly polished plane surface, plane surface is called a mirror. A smooth highly polished, or also you can write that as a smooth, wait, better you can write this only, a smooth highly polished reflecting surface is called a mirror. Okay, a mirror, a smooth highly polished reflecting surface is called a mirror. Okay, so now what are the types of mirror? So there are two types of mirror. One is plane mirror and one more is curved mirror. So what is plane mirror? So you're already familiar with the plane mirror. The plane mirror are nothing but the mirror whatever which are there in your home. For example, the mirror in front of the wash basin and wash basin, or in front of the dressing table. That mirror, whatever the mirror it is there, that are nothing but the plane mirrors. Okay, so we are all familiar with the plane mirrors, and also we learnt about this plane mirror in the previous classes in the 7th and 8th grades. So next type of mirror is curved mirrors. So what is this curved mirror? These curved mirrors are nothing but, so in this curved mirror we have so many different types, that is spherical mirrors, parabolic mirrors, like that. Okay, these curved mirrors, so where it is used, especially for the uh, for the decoration purpose they use these curved mirrors. Okay, so in the parabolic mirrors also they use it for the decoration purpose. Okay, how these curved mirrors are obtained, what are the use of these curved mirrors, and how the reflection takes place in these curved mirrors, everything we'll see in this topic. Okay, so now, so first we'll see what do you mean by curved mirrors. So before going for curved mirrors, tell me how many reflecting surface does this mirror has? Yes, anyone? Abhigna, can you tell me what do you mean by curved mirrors? So curved mirrors are nothing but, a curved mirrors is the reflecting surface is curved. The curved mirrors are called spherical mirrors or parabolic mirrors depending on their curvature. Very good, very good, Abhigna. So next, so write that definition of this. Yes, see here. So this is the curved mirror. So what is a curved mirror? What is the definition I gave? You people, somebody told that, right? A curved mirror, the reflecting surface is curved. The curved mirrors are also called as spherical mirrors or parabolic mirrors depending upon their curvature. So therefore this is the curved mirror. So depending on the curvature, so this is the reflecting surface. So here it is hard surface, mean it, here it is the polished. They polished, they coated with the silver, and also they polished with sorry, not polished, they coated with the silver and they painted here with some color. Okay, and this surface is reflecting surface. So here at least one surface must be reflecting. So this is known as curved. Why? So what is the difference between this mirror and this? So this is flat mirror. It's a rectangular or oval shaped flat mirror, but here the reflecting surface is flat, but here the reflecting surface is curved. So only this is called as a curved mirror. Okay, so this concept what I taught you till now, this about the mirrors, it is not there in a textbook, but in the examination, but you learned these concepts in 7th and 8th grade, and even some no, 9th grade you not studied, in the 7th and 8th grade you studied. I hope that all of you forgot this. Okay, so because to recall this concept, make it to recall, so I told these concepts. Okay, so now here we know what I mean by the spherical mirrors now. So this is nothing but the spherical mirrors. So now what concept we have in the spherical mirrors in the 10th standard in the sense, so the types of spherical mirrors and the reflection takes place in the types of spherical mirrors. So there are two types of spherical mirrors are there. So which are there, we'll see now. Yes, Sai, Samit, tell me what are the different types of spherical mirrors we have? Yes, very good. We have two types of spherical mirrors, that is concave and convex spherical mirrors. Okay, convex and concave spherical mirrors. Okay, so here these are the two types of spherical mirrors we have. So how we obtain the spherical mirrors? So the names tell that sphere. What is the shape of sphere? It is like a round, uh, it is spherical shape, round shape, isn't? Okay, the three-dimensional of circle is sphere. So suppose if we take this sphere, see, I'll show you the picture. Okay, I'll take this circle. Okay, in this circle, what I'm going to do, in this circle, I am cutting this sphere into two parts. Cutting this sphere into two parts. I'm cutting this sphere into two parts, somewhat like this. Okay, so here I got two parts. So what I'm going to do now, so I will paint one side, I will paint this one side with some color, I mean I'll silver one side. Here we have two surface, right? One this side and this side. So what I'm going to do, I'll silver this side, I'll paint with a color. So now how many reflecting surface we have? How many reflecting surface we have? So we have only one reflecting surface. So why? Because one side I colored already, right? So I put some color, so now it is not, you're not able to see through this. So only this is the reflecting surface we have. So this is one type of mirror. So this mirror is known as what? Yes, tell me, what do you mean by this mirror? So this mirror is known as concave mirror. Okay, so and here what happened, and one more is there, so one more is convex mirror. Okay, so this now here inside I painted. Okay, so now outside I'll paint this, I'll paint outside, I'll paint outside. So now if I paint outside, so this inside is the reflecting surface, isn't? So now here outside is a reflecting surface and inside is a reflecting surface. So we gave the different names for this two. So what is that? So that is nothing but convex mirrors and concave mirrors. Okay, so this is convex and this is concave. Okay, concave mirrors. So these are the examples, or this is the picture of the spherical mirrors, convex mirror and concave mirrors. Okay, I hope all of you understood about this convex and concave mirrors. Okay, so this concept is there in your syllabus about the convex and concave mirrors. Okay, so how can we define this convex and concave mirrors now? Yes, can anybody tell? Anybody tell how to define the convex and concave mirrors? Yes. So concave mirrors is a spherical mirror whose inner hollow surface is the reflecting surface is called as a concave mirror, and convex mirror a spherical mirror whose outer bulging surface is reflecting surface is called a convex mirror. Okay, so can you write that? Yes. Okay, so now here we have the definition. What is concave mirror? A spherical mirror whose inner hollow surface is reflecting surface is called a concave mirrors. And what is convex mirror? A spherical mirror whose outer bulging surface is reflecting is called a convex mirror. Okay, so it's very simple, but only thing you should, many of the student get confused with this convex and concave mirrors while drawing the diagrams, so you should not make that mistake. Okay, so to remember this I have one trick. Let's see whether it works or not. So concave and convex. Okay, see here, con is same in both the this one. So here we have cave, C. Okay, here we have C, so therefore it is somewhat like this. Okay, and here convex it is somewhat like this. Just a minute. Concave it is somewhat like this, cave, and convex is somewhat like this. Wait, see here, this is convex, convex it is somewhat like this. So you can easily remember this. How? See here, convex V. Here also we can see the V shape, V here, convex, and here this is C, concave. So here you can see the C shape, concave. I hope all of you understood. Okay, Krishna, do you understood? Aditya, what about you? Are you followed? Yes. Sanya, do you understood? Yes, fine. Okay, so this is concave and convex. So now what happened? This is reflecting surface, and in this case this is reflecting surface. Okay, here also we have the same. Okay, but this is lens actually. So what I wrote is lens, but you don't worry about this. So now only look into this. So now what I'm going to do, I'll remove this part. Now see here, this is the lens mirror, and even I'll remove this part. Okay, the reflecting surface is outer side, that is convex and that is concave. I hope all of you understood. Okay, so now what to do, in the points book write that what do you mean by the mirror and types of mirror, and draw this diagram and write the mirrors as a part of spheres, all these things, and concave and convex mirrors. Okay, write all these things in the points book. I hope all of you understood. So the remaining thing we'll see in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.